Hey, what's going on guys? Michael here from PartsPRO.ph, and behind me I've got an Audi R8. The reason why we've got this car up with sort of the front taken off is we're installing a KW V3 on this car. Now the suspension is absolutely fantastic. Again, KW having German engineering, being made in Germany, but what's even cooler is he's gone with the KW V3 version. So the customer's opted out for the V3 version, meaning that he has the ability for height adjustments, compression, and also rebound adjustment as well. As you can see, if Paul comes in a little bit closer, we've got the coilovers in the front all ready to go. We've also got the external canister safely secured. What we're about to do now, or at least in a little bit, is finish up the rear, mount the wheels on, and take it out for a test drive. One of the reasons why we do that is we want to make sure that the customer is completely comfortable with the new settings of his car. So whether that's too stiff or too soft, whether the height adjustment needs to be sort of fixed a little bit better to fit his driving style, so we could either increase it or lower it even more. After that, we'll put the car on the alignment rack, make sure everything is good to go, and then we'll send the customer on his way. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please let us know. You can hit us up at PartsPRO.ph on Facebook, Instagram, or even on our webpage, which is www.partspro.ph. We'll be more than happy to assist you with any of your suspension needs, whether you want to go with KW, Olhans, and so on and so forth. We pretty much have everything here at PartsPRO.ph. All right guys, back on the other side of the garage. This time the mechanics are putting a set of KWs on this Mustang behind me. Just like the Audi, this is also a V3. So again, he's got the ability to adjust the height, rebound, and also dampening as well. We're also changing out the fender liners. The fender liners here come in two sections. There's one for the rear side of the fender and also the front side. As you guys can see, the KW is already installed. So we're gonna put the fender liners on there. We're also putting new grills in the front. After that, we'll set the right height for the car. We'll go on the test drive, and then we'll come back, align it, and adjust anything that needs to be adjusted until the customer feels that his car is absolutely perfect. Here at PartsPRO.ph and also FixStop, we want to make sure that the car and the items that you have put on your car is absolutely perfect before you go ahead and take it home. That's one of the things that we do here at PartsPRO. So again, what we've got here is the front coilovers, the KW V3 on this Mustang. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please let us know. Again, here at PartsPRO.ph, we pretty much carry all of the coilovers out there if you're looking for Dynamics, HKS, Greddy, Olhans, and again, KW as well. Okay, so if you're looking for anything for your car when it comes to suspension, pretty much anything really, air fresheners, suspensions, exhaust systems, brakes, brake rotors, pretty much we've got you covered for all of your automotive needs. If you need anything, let us know, www.partspro.ph, or hit us on Facebook at PartsPRO.ph. Again, my name is Michael, and that is another set of KW installed today.